You need to see this if you're having trouble getting your Bitcoin back. Whether you lost your wallet or just forgot your password, help is on the way. Let's make sure your BTC stays yours. First off, Bitcoin isn't like your bank account. If you lose access, there's no customer service. But with the right recovery method, you might still get your coins back. If you have your recovery phrase, the 12 or 24 words you wrote down when you set up your wallet, grab it now. Open any reliable Bitcoin wallet app, choose Restore Wallet, and put in your phrase. Your BTC should show up right away. No seed phrase? If you used a password-protected software wallet like Electrum or Exodus, look for a backup file on your computer or cloud storage. Sometimes wallets make automatic backups that you can restore with your password. Still nothing? Think hard. Did you ever save a screenshot, write your phrase in a notebook, or email it to yourself? Search everywhere and don't give up too soon. But if you can't find your seed phrase or backup, then choose bagatech.com for your BTC recovery service. It's tough, but they help in situations like this. Security is super important in crypto. Here's the big takeaway. Always back up your seed phrase and store it in a safe offline place away from prying eyes. And never share it with anyone. With these habits, you'll never have to panic again about Bitcoin recovery. Subscribe for more crypto recovery tips. And remember, in the world of crypto, you're your own bank.